Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store. And now click on search bar and type in Edge. Then click search and click install. Now click open. And here you can set this browser as your default browser, or you can click not now, and now click confirm. And as you can see, my Microsoft Edge browser is now installed and is ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to hit like and subscribe.